Zebru Jacket. It's a new way of isolation, and it's a new level even of isolation. It's the ISPO Gold winner of this year, and it's really amazing because it's really light, and we use as an isolation material the Swiss wool, like wool from the Swiss Alps. And the sheep there are living like in huge terrain and can be outside the whole year. And then we use the isolation material of the Swiss wool. We use the isolation material of the Swiss wool, and it's really cool because we put on little holes in the isolation material to get it more stretchy, and then you can move like really freely, and you can have a lot movement. And then we put on the over material, and it's even more stretchy, and this combination means that it's really light but you have a really stretchy jacket. And with the holes it's also cool because there's even more isolation, because the air can be trapped in the isolation, and it's even warmer although you have a really light jacket. And it's perfect for ski touring. You put it just in your jacket or put it on the mountain top outside, and you can go down, and it's really light and cool isolation jacket.